How to fix apps misbehaving in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now here you can select the app misbehaving. Now click on the app and then click on offload app. After offload your app, then reinstall it. After reinstall it, your problem will be fixed. The another way to fix your problem is press and hold on your app and then click on remove app and then click on delete app. After delete your app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.